Congratulations to Nigeria. Like big congratulations to Nigeria, because Nigeria has now been added to the monetizable country on Facebook. So Meta recently added Nigeria to the list of monetized countries, and this is so amazing, because this will save us the stress of looking for people outside the country that will help manage account and all of that, because that stress, content creators go through a whole lot of stress looking for people that will help manage their accounts that are outside the country. And sometimes these guys are something else. They can just be something else. They might be requesting for cut that is so reasonable, you get it. But now Nigeria has been added. Not just Nigeria, Ghana also has been added, so you can go check it out. You can see it on my screen right now. Nigeria being added, and also Ghana being added as part of the monetized country. So it's not just Morocco, South Africa, and Egypt that are the only Africa countries that are monetized now, because before now only Egypt, Morocco, and South Africa were the monetized country in Africa. But now Nigeria and Ghana, congratulations to all. So right now you can create your content without thinking, oh, how will I start monetizing, or without the old hurdles of looking for someone that can manage your account outside, and then you'll not be thinking of how to give these people cuts. So you can go check it out on their website. Go on to Meta Business Suite and check it out. You can see the eligibility that Nigeria and Ghana are part of these countries. If this is your first time watching my video, I've done a video before on how to create your profile on Facebook. You can go check it out. I'll leave the link on the description, but you can check it out on this card here. Once again, congratulations to Nigeria and Ghana. This Ghana and Nigeria thing, It's always Ghana and Nigeria. I don't know, but for the better. Alright, you can drop in your comments. Just if you have any questions relating to Facebook monetization, setting up a profile, and all of that, you can always drop it on the comment section. I will create a video responding to your question. For those that have not met the requirement, you can keep on pushing to get the requirement. Make sure you follow their guidelines, and you need at least 5,000 followers and 60,000 watch minutes. Like YouTube own is 4,000 watch hours. Facebook on is 60,000 watch minutes. Follow their guidelines and have at least 5,000 followers. And also make sure you've uploaded at least 5 videos in the last 30 days. Okay, until next time, see ya.